Hi everyone, a very good afternoon and welcome to today's market updates. Over the last 24 hours, there are basically three major news which was announced from the UK and also from the US. From the US Food and Drug Administration has voted 17 to 4 for the approval for the Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use for individuals above the age of 16. As the announcement was made regarding the COVID-19 vaccine approval, the US dollar index for yesterday weakened from 91.15 levels all the way down to 90.70 levels. As the announcement was made also, we do see gold prices dropping from 1,000. Okay, let's see. Okay, we do see gold prices dropping from a high of $1,848 all the way down to 1,830 levels as the announcement regarding the US FDA approving the COVID-19 vaccine came into the markets. So the second major news was from the UK, and this came from UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson as he gave warning to the UK citizens and also UK businesses to be prepared for a no-deal Brexit. Okay, this means that the negotiations between the UK and the EU has not been progressing, and this pushed down the UK pound from 1.3370 levels all the way down to a low of 1.3250 levels. The UK pound came down about 120 pips for most of the morning and also afternoon trading sessions yesterday. The third major news was that the European Union, which are currently having their European Union Economic Summit in Brussels, are looking to approve a historic 2.2 trillion US dollar budget and also financial stimulus package. So the positive developments from the eurozone pushed up the euro dollar from a low of 1.2080 all the way to a high of 1.2158. The euro dollar strengthened 70, almost 80 pips. Okay, so those were the three major events and news yesterday, and we saw the impact on the US dollar index, the UK pound, the euro dollar, and also the impact on gold prices. For today, markets will be focused on the afternoon session, where we will be having some economic data coming from the UK. At 3 p.m., we will be having the Financial Policy Committee meeting minutes and also the Bank of England Financial Stability Report. And not to forget, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey will be speaking at 4:30 p.m. Towards the evening, we will have some economic data coming out from the US, basically the core producer price index numbers and also consumer sentiment and inflation expectations data. Economic data that came out from the US yesterday on a Thursday was the unemployment claims, which came in well above market forecast. Markets was expecting 723,000 American citizens looking for unemployment benefits. However, the numbers came in at 853,000 people looking for unemployment benefits. Okay, so a combination of good and not so good news from the US and also from the UK. Boris Johnson giving warning that a scenario of no deal Brexit is highly likely. Okay, so we'll see how the markets react again later on during the afternoon sessions for the UK pound and also for the euro dollar, and not to forget for gold prices and the US dollar index later on tonight. So I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead and a good weekend, and I'll see you guys again on a Monday. Thank you, take care, and happy trading.